This year we've seen house prices rise rapidly, with high clearance rates at auctions averaging 80% and the volume of listings available still on the low side. We're now also seeing investors return to the market. It's interesting to note that Australia-wide, Sydney had the highest count of application extensions for JobKeeper in January this year. That means tenants may still be financially affected by COVID-19, and this in turn flows onto rental returns in some regions. Rents are still softer than pre-COVID rates in areas like the Lower North Shore, Inner Sydney and the eastern suburbs in apartments. House returns are improving substantially now. Across the group, vacancy rates are sitting at just under 1%. This is the lowest we've seen in over 18 months. In areas such as the Northern Beaches, we've seen substantial and consistent growth to both apartment and house returns, with the average days on market for rental properties sitting at 5 right now. As at the 30th of June, feedback closes for the proposed reforms to stamp duty. From here, the reform will be further refined based on feedback. A quick recap for those unsure of the proposed reforms. The government proposes to change the New South Wales tax system to give homeowners the right to choose how to pay their stamp duty. They can choose in the current form or alternatively in a smaller amount in an annual form. This will substantially lower the cost of upfront saving required to purchase your own home, which fits with the government mandate of promoting home ownership. It also allows an investor the opportunity to capitalise on areas with improved rental yield and capital growth without being tied to a property for an extended period of time, in which it is necessary to pay back the substantial upfront costs, in turn allowing a property to transact more frequently. I believe we will see a massive change in the landscape of home ownership, with more frequent transactions to suit current circumstances and changes in lifestyle, and an improved ease in investors transacting properties to improve their returns.